Prepare yourself for your travel vacation, because this is the vlog, guys. This is the vlog. What's up, amazing people? Is it like bagay ba? Do you think it would match the vibe of my channel, guys? But I'm still debating whether I'm gonna call you like one of my shemai cakes, you know, because like one of my first names starts with letter SH, and I like talking to people with shemai, so I don't know. So comment down below if you want. But anyways, are you those kind of people where like you watch travel vlogs or like pack with me vlogs in order for you to prepare yourself for your travel vacation? Because this is the vlog, guys. This is the vlog. You're gonna come with me to pack for somewhere. Actually, I'll just tell you. We're going to Vancouver! Wow. We're going to Vancouver, guys. So stay tuned for the following vlogs I'm gonna do. I'm not really a professional organization, but I'm trying to be. But I'm really good at organizing stuff and matching with like fashion stuff. I don't know. I've been into fashion and like organizing, so I think this vlog is like actually for me. So guys, I'm in my room. As you can see, I'm in my room setup. So I'm in my different area of my room, since I'm in my room. Basically, this is my closet. Hindi siya yung very extravagant na closet. I'm really aesthetic tayo, guys. Aesthetic. Tara. First thing that I do when I'm packing is pack. Joke lang. So like, the first thing that I do when I'm packing is obviously check my closet. Wala seryoso dito. Okay, seryoso na. Seryoso na. So first thing that I do when I'm packing is I don't go through my toothbrush, those essentials. I go through my clothes first. So what I'm gonna do is there's three things that I do first. Oh guys, look at my nails. Ay, mabilis ma-distract, pero guys, ang ganda ng nails. Wow! Hack! Okay, so there are three things that I do first in packing, which is, the first thing is I try to think first how many days kami aalis. So since in yung case, I'll be doing my socks first, my undergarment, and then my upper garments first, because those three are sure naman, and I don't think naman na kailangan natin i-style at may sparkly pa yung mga under at upper garments natin, diba? Pati yung socks, pero pwede din naman yung socks. So let's do that first. So if you're wondering what my closet looks like, no bashing, pero maganda siya. Joke lang. Okay. This is my closet, guys. It's just simple lang naman. Hindi naman siya carry boom lang. So what I'm gonna do, since it's my first time to go to Vancouver, I'm gonna try to bring at least one dress, one comfy clothes. The comfy clothes that I'm gonna wear is when I go to airport. Mga one shoes that could actually match all of my outfits, or basically two if kaya ko. One like shorts, and then one pants, and then probably match it with the top. Ayoko naman mahilo kayo, so I'm gonna do time lapse, and I'll tell you what are the clothes that I picked para hindi kayo mahilo, na para hindi siya roller coaster kind of vibe. So ano bang problema mo, guys? Nagpapak na. Ay, nagmong talbo. Nagpapak na din po kasi kami dito. sa kwarto ni Zia. Kaya namumblema siya if saan yung skinny jeans niya. Wala na yung skinny jeans! Malnourished na nga siya, diba? Naging skinny na nga. So, namatay yung skinny jeans mo.
Meron nga.
Isa ba ka? Tama ba kayo sa joke?
Hindi.
So, I'm done with my clothes now. So, I'll show you what did I pack for my clothes. This is the carry-on bag that I'm gonna be bringing for the trip. Yeah, this is where I'm gonna put all of my cameras, all my makeup, so like most likely all my essentials and important things that I need to like bring, like like probably passport. But I don't bring passport. It's most likely my parents who brings passport, para they're sure na that's so technically I'm bringing. I'll show you what I'm gonna bring because I've already done with my clothes. So I'm bringing 2 pairs of PJs. It's only 2 pairs, even though we're almost a big deal kasi just like I said, laundry. And then I'm also bringing like, I'm not gonna show you. I just show sa inyo guys. Pero like I'm bringing 3 pairs of my undergarments, my upper garments, and then I'm gonna bring also 3 pairs of my socks. And then next one is toiletries. So, ito yung toiletries na ginagawa ko. So, what we do most of the time in our family, ang dami kong makeup, pero hindi yan yung dadalhin ko na makeup, okay guys? Kasi masyado siyang madami. I bring my headband, and then one of the things that I've learned in sa mga social media is I don't bring my personal toothbrush, I bring a new toothbrush. And then, like a travel toothpaste, and then may mga containers kami na we put like shampoos if like where you stay is it provided. Tapos para ito, I use this and I'm just gonna put it in the a smaller container, and para mga ganito like shampoo, yung mga spray and stuff. So that's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna do right now. And then after I do, actually mayroon na kami nakalagay na siya sa mga ganito. This bag or this bag. Tapos, the shoes that I'm gonna bring is, I might bring my panda shoes or one of my shoes na, eto. Ayan guys, I might bring that. Pero basically, I'm only gonna bring 1 shoes kasi minsan, sa family namin na pare-pareho ang mga shoe size at ang mga sizings namin. We can just exchange clothes or shoes and something like that. So, ayun yung gagawin ko. And then, also, after I'm gonna do that, probably pack all of my electronics, the important things that I'm gonna bring. I'm done with the toiletries now. Nilagay ko na siya dito. I already put all of my makeup that I need. Basically, hindi naman lahat ng gagamitin ko. Pero there's just some few essentials that I need. And then I need this one. Hi guys! I'm done packing. So basically, my other toiletries or other things, like for example, like the clothes that I'm gonna wear, or like those like AirPods, those like essential stuff that I can't leave without, is I'll just prepare them once we're gonna leave. I already put my toiletries here. Oh, I also put like extra garbage bag in case now we need them for like the laundry, and then I also put like extra Ziploc, and then I put in case that I want, and then my makeup bag, and then I'm gonna bring my sunglasses, even though bulag ako, but I'm just gonna bring extra like sunglasses para wala lang stylish and stuff. And then I'm also gonna bring my electronics here, like I am gonna bring my camera, my charger, all of the ports that I need is gonna be here. If you have power bank, also bring your power bank with you kasi who knows na there's no charging areas everywhere where you go. I'm gonna be bringing a fan. So I'm still debating whether I should bring this neck fan or like the handheld fan, but I'm gonna bring a fan anyways. Of course, for my parents, blah blah blah. Also, I'm gonna be bringing a cap kasi minsan mainit, so I'm gonna be bringing a cap. Don't forget your like hair tie, your cap, your jewelry, glasses. Also the toiletries like toothbrush, toothpaste, brush, your facial cleanser, perfume. I also brought perfume, pero yung maliliit lang na perfume. Yeah, that's basically it. That's basically what I'm gonna bring for the trip to Vancouver. This one, it's so cute. I'm gonna be putting it here. Also forgot to tell you guys na on my carry-on, I'm gonna be bringing some little snacks lang naman that in case na I feel hungry. That's it, guys. We did really good in packing. My carry-on bag is already checked. The luggage for me and Zia, like the clothes, is already checked. And then my handbag is just gonna be my future problems when we go out na. Okay? And thank you for watching, guys. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And subscribe for to get a notification on my Vancouver vlog. And there's also following travel vlogs that I'm gonna be doing, and that might cause me to be alone in traveling. So subscribe, guys, so you can see the things that I do in my life kahit wala naman nangyayari sa life, guys. Kung gusto nyo malaki drama, exit na kayo, joke lang. Pero yeah, I'm really having fun showing you what I do and what I love to do. And see ya!